I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy TRX Trust Wallet step by step. Start by installing Trust Wallet and backing up your recovery phrase in a safe place. Add funds with BNB, card, or an on-ramp, then locate TRX and use buy or swap to make the purchase. Adjust slippage if needed, confirm the transaction, and verify your TRX token visibility and balance in the wallet. In this video, I will show how to buy TRX Trust Wallet step by step. First, lock down your wallet by writing your recovery phrase on paper and storing it offline. Activate biometric or passcode protection inside Trust Wallet for daily security. Avoid saving phrases digitally and treat your private keys as irreversible secrets to prevent loss or theft while you learn to transact safely. In this video, I will show how to buy TRX Trust Wallet step by step. Use the buy or swap feature to access liquidity or an on-ramp, choose TRX, and confirm the network and gas token like BNB if required. Enter the amount, check slippage and estimated fees, then authorize the transaction with your wallet password. After confirmation, wait for the network to process and verify the TRX appears in your balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.